Okuhamya barukwenda kwa yahayanira entebe zitari zimwe na zimwe mu ihanga ni kugumiza mpaka amarugo kwezoku kandi akakiiko nikaza kushitama kushwijuma ebihandiko ebihirwe yabetsimbireho.
We have come to day 3 of the nomination exercise, and first of all I want to thank all the candidates, the aspirants who showed interest and the organized way in which they came. By close of business yesterday, we had received over 800 aspirants out of the 2,800, meaning we still expect some aspirants to come.
Abantu mushanju abarimu speaker w'ishengero Anita Among, Hamson Obuwa nyampara wa government n'abandi bahinguzibwe okwetsimba batine cha kanisa.
We've not had any major incident. Instead, we have had many unopposed. I don't know whether the principal has compiled, but we have had many unopposed. They are now coming to 7 unopposed, and that's good for us, for the party.
Hinabanyishengero abatwiro mbwebembezi kandi twagambaho nabo banyuma yo kuhamibwa okwetsimba.
Hati yo baza kubinominatinga nyenda kugumizamu nebimbire ninkora konkanta kagambire bingi nyena ngumbashabe bona abesimbire omuri Singiro West isingiro yona na Uganda yona twenda karuru ko businge akaruru kede
erizoba natungo bushaki narbantora nakuba candidate wa 2026 abanyakazoni mbasima mnonga okuchera mnonga babineja nabo kachairman kabambe Joy Muhanji
abesimbire obusya nabajangu betebekanise kwere byanga byabo okutunguka.
Mazina turyahikayo Mary Paula Kebirungi owaheza kuba nominated erizoba bampandika hati naba candidates omubwijwire oyesimbire entebe y'abacara habwa Rukungiri district
kandi erizoba nahamibwa naye kitebe kikuru kya NRM erizoba cyahwa
Nibanyeta cyara mpe Rebecca namanya ndio munyamtoma yesimbira ntebe yo kwebembera abanyamtomo mu parliament ntebe y'abacara
mwena mwije kandi hati ndiyo ninyija numucumanya ntuza kurubata agency yitu tina itarayike tukubasha ubururu
ntebe ya member wa parliament ya Rukiga kandi nko kutura ndabagambira program ubwempo twaza kutandika speed ya hirihiri kugira ngo 2016 base kurabamo kugira ngo utandike gukora.
Abanyashema muhumure n'abashikire emutwire numuraba mbyona ebitwire nituraba mbyona 2016 byo kwezi kwa mushanju ninyenda bakome
kandi ayaba nominated erizoba nka candidate ayesimbiro aha ibanda y'amashuma nenga nkibanda South constituency
nyenda twebembeze ntunguka ya kushenyisha kama municipality kirira karumwe kandi twebembeze ntunguka
okuhamya besimbire kwayahayanira entebe zitari zimwe na zimwe ni kugumizamu mpaka 2030 kwezoku gasha kwa Jime Mhumza.